This 2019 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8244 BHS Front Bunk Beds, Dinette Queen Bed Slide is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, skylight, TV, air conditioning, external shower, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8244 BHS Front Bunk Beds, Dinette Queen Bed Slide is 5,595 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.